Welcome to day 10 of my 0 to 10,000 30-day Amazon KDP advertising challenge. I'm excited to share some news with you guys. Um, I think I'm getting better at this keywords. It's been a week since just working on these keywords and I'm getting pretty good. So I switched up one of the keywords for a book, so hopefully that's gonna help drive more traffic to it. So let's see the reports. I got my first Amazon royalty payment sent yesterday. And yesterday we did one sale. It was for the credit book and it was a Kindle sale. I didn't make much, but it's still something, you know? I made, oh, A's for Assets got a sale too. Let me see what this was for. Oh, Kindle royalties, 10 cents. Oh, got something. Let me see which one. Yeah, Kindle. So somebody was reading it in the Kindle book and they paid me for that. So that's pretty good. Cool. So we're at $38. Far away to go. 20 days left, but hey, I'm confident. I'm enjoying the journey. That's all that matters. If you're not having fun doing it, then it's a job. And I'm not trying to make this a job. I'm just trying to have some enjoyment in this, just by teaching you guys. Alright, so my impressions are going up a lot now. I'm at 4,000. Yesterday I was at 2,000. So I am spending a bit of dollars, about $3-4, which is fine. Impressions is going up. So let's see which one is moving here. So these two not yet. This one a bit. The journals, but no sales yet. And I think this one is moving a bit. So we'll start here. Let's see what's going on with this one. So 8,000 impressions, sales, ACOS. So December. ACOS is, let me see, 200. Still high here. Let's see. So we got a sale. So we sold the credit book yesterday. But the ACOS is way too high. So let's see here, campaign settings, let's see what it's targeting. See what we can change in here. Well, it's not bad. It was 64 cents that we paid to get the sale. But of that, I made 70 cents, so that's kind of high. But it was the Kindle version. So if it was the actual book, it would be, I would make like about $2-3. So we'll leave that for now. We'll see how this one is. We'll monitor it. So I spent about $1. Okay, so some of these down here. So this was the previous one. I spent $13. I don't know if this is including the new sales. 86, 75 cents. See, like this, 95 cents to make $9.99. That's not bad. 62 cents. These are a list of words. List of words. So here, let's go this way. I'm gonna watch these ones, see how they do. If no sales come in, then I'm just gonna turn them off. And the ones that are not collecting anything, turn those off as well. If you guys thought this was gonna be easy, work's involved, man. If you wanna be making some money, you gotta drill down into the numbers and figure out what's working from what's not working. But the good thing for you is I'm doing this for the next 30 days. So any mistakes you see me make, you can avoid making these mistakes. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave it in the description below. Okay, so a few of these are working, so we're going to give it some time, see how they do. I don't think there's any price to really change here. This is just the default bid, but please slowly increase it just to get an idea of how much to spend per ads. So this one, that one's done. Let's go to the other ones. Ten impressions. So kids' book is still weak. We're not sparing anything, so it's not a bad thing. Just haven't found the sweet spot yet. I want us to raise this. We'll wait. We'll see if we can start pick up some people. Okay, so we did that one. Once I find some winners, I'm going to turn off some of these campaigns. It doesn't make sense to pour money into something if it's not producing an outcome. Let's go to 33 for the 33 for this. So after about a week, that's when we started to see some volume come in for impressions. But we need to see more growth. Impressions. Reaching the halfway points. Alright, let's see here. So we spent 87 cents, but no impressions yet. This is the manual one, so I put the words in here. So this one got some push. That was at 75 cents. So we can go through here and see what words are bumping right now. So this I'm not going to touch. I'm going to leave this alone and let it do its thing on its own. So let's go to the Canadian side. Oh wow, we finally got impressions. Man, it's hard getting Canadians. Holy. 41 versus 4,000. What a difference. Alright, so which is this, the 38? Yeah, next week I think I'm going to include the UK. See if the UK Massive want the books here. Alright. Alright. The group. I think I did this one already. Yeah, it's 23. So coming to wrap this video up, tomorrow's day 11. I'm going to change some keywords around for this book, and hopefully it helps drive some traffic to it. Still no impressions, which is fine. And yeah, again, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave it below in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.